Choosing the right broker for you can be quite a big decision, especially if you are a beginner. I know that when I started, it was quite the headache to find the right broker. But today I'm going to be comparing two well-known brokers, StoicFX and TagMarkets. And we're just going to be seeing which one comes out on top. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump into the websites. So guys, we are now on the StoicFX webpage, and as you can see, it's a very clean, very professional looking website, and basically that's quite consistent throughout as you have a look. Everything is laid out really nicely. You can have a good read as you go through. It shows the market access, 8 powerful benefits of Stoic, which platforms that you can use and which ones you might want to, reviews down here. And then obviously you can get in touch with the customer support really below. So a very easy to navigate, very easy to read. So for me, it's quite nice as an advanced trader myself to be able to see something so simple. But even if you're a beginner, it's quite nice to be able to come on, find what you're looking for with a lot of ease. Over to TagMarkets. Again, nice looking website. I'm not the biggest fan of the font, but in terms of layout, similar to StoicFX, everything that you need to see, you can just scroll down and find what you're looking for basically. You can see the types of accounts that you can trade, all your different deposit options, and then a little extra info as you move down a little bit. So, both pretty good start, so both have a pretty good start to their home pages. Now, getting into what you can trade, StoicFX has Forex, it has indices and commodities and cryptocurrencies. As someone who does trade Forex pairs on a daily basis, this is good for me. I do like to invest in cryptocurrency, so it's nice that that's an option as well. And on occasions, I will trade gold, so it's good to know that that is in there. Also, the platforms MT5, WebTrader, and obviously their mobile app. I personally use MT5, so for me, again, good to know that they have that. I wouldn't need any other platforms to trade from. Back to TagMarkets, you can see that they have Forex, metals, indices, commodities, crypto, and stocks. So pretty similar to Stoic. I'd be surprised if they didn't have those main ones, but they do, so same. And with TagMarkets, obviously you can use MetaTrader 5 and CTrader. So again, kind of has everything that you need. Now, one thing I do want to point out with Stoic that I really like, obviously they do offer low trading costs, meaning you keep more of your profits. StoicFX offers tight spreads across major pairs and popular instruments so you can trade more efficiently. They do this using high-speed order processing, which basically reduces the excessive slippage, ensuring a smoother overall trading. Whereas if you're looking at TagMarkets, one thing that they do have is spread from 1 pip. Now, this is quite large in my opinion, because normally when you trade Euro USD, you can get pretty damn close to 0.0 pip spread. So having a 1 pip spread is not particularly ideal for me, as I'm a scalper, so it just wouldn't work out too well, especially if I'm trading other pairs other than Euro USD, because it's going to be even more. Now, TagMarkets does have a copy trading system, which basically means that if you put some money into an account, you find a copy trader that you like, basically an expert who trades, you can link your account up to theirs and take a percentage of the profits. I do know that Stoic also has this as well, right here in their copy trading, and from personal experience with Stoic, it's been pretty good. I'm up in profit over the last 3 months, so I can only speak from personal experience, and the copy trading at Stoic is pretty good. One thing for me that edges StoicFX over TagMarkets is their affiliate marketing program, which basically means that if you like Stoic and you want to get your friends, your family, or even your team involved, basically you can earn bonuses from them signing up and be actively trading. So basically you could be making a minimum of $2.50 per lot traded with no limit to your bonuses if you have more people signed up from your referral. So as you can see from that video, guys, both good brokers, but however, Stoic does take the win for me. It's got many benefits that I personally quite like. So, if you want to get involved, the links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those, get involved, and then hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next videos.